Hey there, I'm Chris,
And I'm Ben.
and we're with Swartz Restoration. We are here in Ada, Ohio, to let you know that if you experience any sort of water damage in your home or your business, we're here to help. Maybe you have a leaky faucet that saturates the floor, or a water supply line breaks on your dishwasher or your washing machine and seeps down to the basement. Maybe your sump pump backs up, or maybe a storm rolls through the area and you have all sorts of water damage in your home. We are here to help you dry out, clean up, and rebuild after the fact.
Absolutely. You know, we've been in business for over 36 years, and it's always been our heart, our desire as a company to care for people suffering from water damage, fire damage, storm damage, to care for them all the way through the process of getting them back to normal. So if you find yourself in one of those situations, whether it's your home or your business, please feel free to call us at 419-331-1024 for 24-hour service, or check us out online at swartzrestoration.com.